Here's our little miniature fox. Not a fox in radar, although she's a girl. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Come on. A little bit in that awkward stage right now. Come on. Yeah, I know. You want to go back to the shade. It's still early yet, but it's getting hot. She knows what she wants. There, she made it to the shade. Yeah, you're a good girl. Did you go back and play in the pool? We're just working on our leash manners. Yeah, you're a good girl. She's still looking for a home. Beautiful young girl. Long coat, liver sable. Still has a little bit of puppy fluff left, but she's losing it, starting to get in her adult coat. Anyway, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Yeah, she's like, pet me. Really easy to train girl. Loves to be loved on. Not too high drive. Right in the middle of the road. Good energy. Good medium energy, I should say. Yeah. Good girl.